This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Beautiful quality constructed open/split floor plan home west/too many quality finishes and upgrades to list. Enjoy the relaxation of the hot tub in the private backyard. Located in the newer Vista Ridge Subdivision in the sunny end of town on a cul-de-sac street, just above the ordinary fog line and very near Harris Beach State Park and only a few minutes from town and all the amenities Brookings has to offer. Make sure to take the 3D Matterport Virtual Tour. #South Coast Oregon #Brookings Oregon. For more information, review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541-661-1504.